Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh City by train? Thinking about crossing Vietnam the classic way? The Hanoi-Ho Chi Minh City Rail Run is a 31 to 35-hour epic, slow, scenic, and surprisingly comfy if you plan it right. Here's the play. Book a soft sleeper cabin, 4 berths for real rest. Hard sleepers are cheaper, but crowded and noisy. There are multiple Reunification Express services daily, SE1, SE3, etc., and you can ride straight through or break the trip in Hue, Da Nang, or Nha Trang for coastal views and better sleep. Expect gentle sway and some clatter. These aren't high-speed lines, so pack earplugs, a light sweater, sandals for the aisle, and snacks. Most cars have AC, power sockets, hot water, and a basic canteen. Bring cash for carts. Prices are still budget-friendly for long-distance standards, but vary by date and tier and rise on holidays. Book early on the official site or a trusted agent. Pro tip: choose a lower bunk for headroom and security. Keep valuables on you and time your departure to wake up rolling past the Central Coast. If you want Vietnam at ground level, this is it.